I'm Josh Ogle with Pipe Wrench Plumbing. We're here at a customer's house who's having a main line issue. What we're going to do is cable from the cleanout that's in the back of the house. Once we cable it, we will run a camera just to make sure everything is flowing properly. Josh back with Pipe Wrench. So what we done, we cabled this main line. After cabling, we found some wipes that were stuck down in the sewer line. So I called and got our camera guy out. So I waited on him. After cameraing, we found some improper fittings. So we're going to give customer options to fix his sewer line.